Welcome back to the channel. Tony here. So today we're headed to the state park, so the Big Bend Ranch State Park. We're going to go spend 2 nights there. I think we're just going to explore what we can. We're going to do some campsite scouting along with my campsite. I got a little bit of a late start, but you know, as long as I get there in time to set up camp and so on, it doesn't get dark till 8:30. It's like 11 o'clock now. It's 83. It's just probably going to be hot. We'll see. It can't be any more miserable than it's been here. So that's the plan for today, is to go check out the state park and spend a couple days there. I'll go there tonight, set up camp, and I have all day to explore the park, and then spend the night, and then head on back to my base camp. So come along. Alright, so I just hooked up with the guys that we saw on the trail and found their wallet, and we're going to go check out Rancho Topinga. It's a place I've been wanting to stay, and also they're looking for a place to stay. So we're going to go check that out next. Alright, well, we found it. Rancho Topinga. Alright, so they found themselves a campsite for Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Go ahead and do a quick run through and check out the facilities. See what the campsites are like. Yeah, this would be tough with my car. Definitely wouldn't want to. So that looks like a site right there. That's pretty harsh. Some loose stuff here. So this must be up on the mesa. So there's a site right there. Best bring your own cover. There's another site up there. That's site number 1. It looks like a couple sites out here. Those are nice. So that's 2, 3, and 4. And then here is your, yeah, so 5 is the jewel. 5 is the one you want. 6 is okay, but 5 is the jewel. Here's your showers and your dishwashing. 7 and 8 are really good too. You're right here by the showers. 7 and 8, 5, 6, 7, and 8 are the best ones if you're motorcycle camping. You don't want to walk. I mean, this is not a bad. 9's not a bad one. That's not a long walk to the showers or the bathrooms at all. And then you have your group site number 1, number 10. These are nice. I mean, it's going to be hot. No doubt about it. More group camping. There's the highway. Well, I'm glad I checked that out, because I've been wanting to find a spot that, you know, that would have showers, and then you could go to the ranch and ride there for a day. So that was cool. Glad we were able to do that. So we just came from the Valero in Presidio, and then now we're headed out to the state park. And from what I understand, this it's about a 10-minute, maybe 10-15 minute from Fort Leaton. So here's Fort Leaton. This is where you get your permit, and your day passes and your permits here at Fort Leaton. And you know, technically we're in the park. The park just started right now, so we're in the state park. It's a nice RV park, so if you want to bring your RV, this is a nice one. It's close. It's got plenty of hookups, a lot of space for your big old 45-foot Lux toy hauler. Big Bend Ranch State Park. I really didn't overpack. This is my jacket, so it's taking up there. I just got my tent, my basics, tent, sleeping bag, sleeping pad, pillow, and one change of clothes. And then in this one we have all any tools, tires, air pump, extra oil, all that stuff. Anything for the bike is in this one. Then I have water. I have a gallon of water in here, water, jet boil, and food, and all that's in that one. Oh wow, it's beautiful. Oh yeah, we can see the cactuses are blooming here pretty good. Looks like they're just starting. It's better than catching them at the end. At first, when I got to Big Bend, I didn't want to come out here. I was like, that's too much work. I'll just spend the time there. But I thought, you know what? I need to add at least one day of an adventure, even if I don't stay tomorrow and I go back, which is fine too. It's not that bad of a ride out of here. 2 hours, then I'm back at camp. So I guess they still have cattle out here. These things always freak me out. I don't know why. All right, so I guess it's this way. Handles a lot different with all that luggage. Gotta be aware of that. It is pretty. All these yellow ones here are blooming. That and the purple ones. So they look like dead wood with no leaves on them, but they're all these tiny little purple flowers on them. More cattle crossings. We'll take the inside track. Well, that was the first purple one I've seen blooming. Purple cactus, that is. Oh wow, you got those too that are blooming. Everything's blooming. I guess it is spring. Could have fooled me. It's 98 degrees out. Okay, so now it's looking like a park. Now we got that, your traditional welcome to Big Bend State Park. Well, welcome. Stop. Alright, we got that. Get important information, entrance fee required. We got all that. All checked boxes. No cat holing. No fuel, we know. We got that. Hope it gets cold like it did last night. Man, I really hope it does. That was a nice thing to wake up to in the 40s. Yeah, so those are the ones that I saw that were turning purple back at these guys right here. They're probably either already done their thing or they're doing their thing. Come on, Starlink. Get those mobile satellite devices set up so we can have our little Starlink on our bikes. That's kind of like the stuff I I hit when I almost went off that cliff. That stuff is loose. Rancho Verde, or Rancho Viejo, Rancho something. It's 5 o'clock, so the station's probably closed. The breeze feels nice, even at 98. Good old washboard. Social distancing at its best. Oh, that one's blooming. That was nice. Took a gander. See what kind of wildlife we're seeing. Plant life, that is. They got a horse campsite out here, so you can bring your trailer, your horses out here. Stables, I guess. Another one. They're all getting ready to bloom out here. It might be a different plant than the purple one. The purple one has flowers all up and down it. Is the ranger station up this way? All right, thank you. He was booking, he was doing no 25. He's like, it's Miller time, I'm going home. He's not expecting some pendejo biker like me coming here at 5 o'clock in the afternoon to go camping. But at least we know we're on the right track. That's nice. Call that the knuckle rock. It's like 2 fists of fury. Oh yeah, really nice. I have a feeling this park's going to be pretty interesting and different than the national park. And so far it is, to a point. I mean, this is how you get here. There's no paved roads. A little more remote. Ted would like it out here. Oh, that's nice. Looks like a little oasis. I'll just go pitch my tent under that, right there. How's that? Right in there. That's where I'm camping tonight. That looks like a premium spot. So far I'm digging this really good. It is really pretty out here. It's easy to want to just blow through on these roads, but then you miss so much because you just miss the little fine nuances. And I like that whole formation over there, the lava rock. I guess that's why it's lava, because there's lava rock out here. South Lava is where I'm camping. Now warning again. Limited sight. What's new? This is pretty. How you doing?
Pretty good. How about yourself?
How much further to the ranger station?
About 3 miles.
Okay, so I'm almost there.
Almost there.
I was...
No, you got 2 more miles.
All right, thank you.
Yes, sir. Have a good one.
Thanks. That'd be a cool job to have. Be out here patrolling this place. Government work, I guess. Oh, this is a big facility out here. Oh, that's the stable.
What can I do for you?
Can you tell me how to get here?
Yeah, you're almost there. It's 1 more mile just up that hill.
Okay.
The South Lava Campground, the sign takes you to the left, number 4.
So the sign, they'll be clearly signed. What do y'all sell here?
Well, right now the store is still sort of half closed, but...
Well, I mean, as far as like drinks and...
Oh, I see. Like, we do have sodas,
Okay.
stock.
Oh.
Otherwise,
And there's somewhere here where I can fill up my water bottles?
definitely. In the bathrooms, there's a filtered water bottle filler.
Okay.
Something larger out on the road.
All right.
Does that help you?
It did help me, and I'm supposed to put this on my windshield, but I'm not putting it on. I'm just going to keep it with you.
Yeah, you just keep it with you.
Okay. All right, so it's off on the left.
Yeah, 1 mile. It's exactly 1 mile up the hill.
Thank you. That's a cool backcountry kind of ranger station visitor center. Exactly 1 mile, so well, that's exactly 1 mile. There we are, south. This is a nice area. Oh yeah. I don't think I got a cover like those. That would be cool. I don't think they were available, but we'll see. Don't know what number that one was. That's 2. 3. So that's 4. Okay. So I want to come up the other way. There's the baños. There's my site. Yeah, I'll move that bench around. Looks like someone pinched their tent right underneath there. Let's go take a look. I don't know if someone has that reserved or not. And this actually has a better ground layout. That one's kind of really sloped. So, much all the sunset we are going to get. So there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 campsites in this area. There's a lot of areas like this. This one's a mile away from the ranger station, which is nice, just to the fact that if you want to get water or get something you need, it's not an hour-long drive. I know that when where Ted is over there in the national park, it's a good half hour plus, or maybe an hour ride to his campsite. But he's got a pretty, remote campsite. Doesn't have any of these amenities. It's just a plot of ground that's been marked off, and it probably has a bear box, which I'm again surprised they don't have them here. But these apparently have fire pits, and it looks like people do have fires here. I mean, you wouldn't have a fire pit box if you didn't have fires, so I don't know. But here's my tent set up. Fairly easy to do. Again, it was a little windy. It's probably going to get cold tonight. I was going to leave the top off, but it's probably going to get cold tonight. So it's nice now. I mean, it's perfect. It's got to be easily down into the 70s by now. This is my backyard. And my playground. I'm gonna go check out, see what I got, where I can go tomorrow, and I got all day, so go check that out.